Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this particular video, we are going to talk about important updates about Karnataka State Counseling. So when you go back to the home page of KEA, you can see three flash messages. Provisional verified list, edit online application is enabled. So the update is we had received the provisional verification list. It was disabled earlier. Now you can get the verification list once again to see, but it's not complete. You might not find, if you don't find your name, there is no need to worry, because they had re-enabled to do the registration, and now the edit option is enabled. It means those candidates who didn't have uploaded the document correctly, they can upload the document once again, and you can make the changes in your preferences, any name or any kind of textual change in the form. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Let's open the provisional verification list. So you can see here online application and uploading of documents, final chance. That's about the last update. So it's over already. Now you can have option to edit online application enabled. Okay, so let's click on it. Here you can go ahead again and can log in and do the editing of the application, right? We'll go back to see the provisional list. So you can see here the list of candidates applied for the reservation in St. John's. So if you open this document, you can see those candidates who applied for St. John's, and those who are eligible and not eligible based on the document verification. So you can find your roll number here, and can see your eligibility based on the documents you uploaded. Okay, now we'll go back to the previous link and we'll see the provisional verification list for MSMD courses and diploma. So you can click on this link and download the document. So you see it's the same document that we were able to see before the application means they gave the chance to apply again for Karnataka. We had seen the same link, provision link. So if your name is not there in this provision list, there is no need to worry, because they are saying in the second point, as per the scrutiny of document is in progress, list of provisionally verified candidates will be hosted stage by stage. If your name is not there right now, then you can get in the later stage of your name might come here. So no need to worry. And in the point number 4, editing would be enabled to change the application entries and also for uploading of the documents. So they had promised that editing will be enabled. So the option is available now. I will show you the document where you can find the dates, and keep visiting the KIA website for seat matrix and other details, right? So let's go back to this is for dental provisional verification list. Now for display of seat matrix and for fee structure, candidates are required to keep visiting KIA website. Okay, we'll go back to the home page once again and we'll click on the third link. Once you open it, you can see the notification. Notification says editing option is enabled from 28th of April to 29th of April up to 10 a.m. So up to 29th of April 10 a.m. in the morning. Remember, it's 10 a.m. time, not 10 p.m. in the night. It's morning 10 a.m. time. You can do the editing of application. So it's enabled by the time I am creating the video. And you can go ahead and do the editing of the application. And if you require to change the document, you can do the re-uploadation of the document. Candidates can change or modify the document, the information furnished in the online application as per the eligibility. Further, such a candidate have to upload the relevant documents compulsorily through KIA portal without fail. Candidate can upload, replace the documents without editing the application also. Without editing the application also, if you just need to change the document what you have uploaded, that you can do also. Those who edit the application should compulsorily upload the relevant documents without fail, and no further extension will be given in this regard. This is the first and last time the option is given to edit the application. If you fail to do to fill the form correctly, and if you fail to do any if you do any mistake this time, so there is no further extension will be given to change the application. After editing or uploading documents, declaration is compulsory. So this notice came on 27th of April, and this is official notice. So you can do the online editing until 29th of April by up to 10 a.m. in the morning. So this is pretty much everything. So if you need any kind of help regarding which colleges should we go for in Karnataka, what within your rank, whether you can get low budget colleges there, or you should go for the high budget colleges there in Karnataka, or any such questions, any questions related to Karnataka state counseling, you can call us to the number given in the description. We will be very happy to help you. Okay, and if you like to subscribe to our services that is paid, so you can go for that also. We will help you step by step to do the counseling, and you will get the best result, and you can secure a good branch and college in Karnataka State Counseling. And we provide the services for other DNB, All India Counseling, and other states also. So until next update, I will say you be safe at your home, and be safe and healthy, and until then, goodbye.